Today we'll be making a demo on ClaBiTs software. So among the demo, this is the login URL to log into the web version of the software. This is software interface. Okay, so this is the username. For the purpose of this demo, I'll be using tests and login. Okay, so this is going to lead us the the admin dashboard. So there are a lot of things you can see here. You will see the number of subjects taught by staff. You will see the number of tutoring subjects. That is the number of subjects that is being taught, the number of staff in the school, and the number of pupils in the school. And this is also the class, the number of students in the class. As you click on it, it changes and it tells you the exact figure. This is also the number of people by male and female. So, and this is also how students are being registered in a year. Okay, so moving down, these are the student details. These are the student details. These are the information. You can search them by their name. For instance, if I want to get someone whose name is Joy, let me check if there's any Joy here. Yes, I have two Joys. So you can see. So you can search them by this in case if you're searching by names. So depending on what you want. So that's what this admin dashboard is used for. Upload scores online is the interface where the teacher can upload his or her scores online for the particular student or pupil. So when you click on it, you have to select the particular term. So this particular version of the software was being used since 2020. So that's why you can see 2020 and currently this 2025 because this is a demo version. That was why you can see it here. Okay, so one important aspect where the teacher doesn't have to make mistake is the term. So when a teacher is trying to update score, add a new score, he or she is not meant to make mistake in the term. Okay, so selecting any particular term, for instance, this is term, and selecting any class. For the purpose of this, I will select SS3A and I'll still leave it as view. If you change it to download, is you actually download the score in form of CSV, that is as Excel format. So clicking on it, you will actually see it being uploaded. So these are the scores that have been uploaded. So every term has a different score and also different people. So you can see the subjects here. Why this 2023 24 represents the range number of each student or pupils in the class. Okay, so since there are already scores here, so let me choose a particular term where there's no score. So I'm still using SS3A. So at this point I'll be, let me try third term. I think we don't have much scores. Okay, we have scores but not much. Okay, so what happens is that when a teacher is trying to update a score or upload any score, so what teacher just has to do is just to click on that particular place, then it's going to come up. Then the teacher is just going to type the score. Maybe this person is 25. The name of the person is below. So the teacher will actually, maybe this is John, whose reach number is 25, and John got 5 in agricultural science. He got 2 in and 3 in assignment. He got 6 in mid in kickoff test, and maybe 12, and lastly 14 exam. So the teacher doesn't have to add the total. Anywhere where the teacher sees the total, the teacher is just going to skip it because this total is actually automated. But at this particular point, you'll be able to see 16 here. It was because of I just added this 16 now. But if you could look at other totals, you find out that they have been calculated or that is automated. Okay, so that's for this particular aspect. Now, when a teacher finish, okay, but before, when a teacher wants to upload the results, the teacher has to scroll down and click on upload. So good. So it has already uploaded the scores. So if I refresh this page, you will see the same scores. Okay, so I'm refreshing the page now. So the page has been refreshed. It has already been uploaded to the software interface. So that's for it. So you can actually make this if you have a lot of students in the class. You can just change this to a desktop site so that you can see everything at a goal, and you can zoom in and zoom out. So depending on what you wish to do, and to make it very easy, since if the teacher is uploading, because the columns represent a particular student's score. So as you can see for this catering art, for this particular aspect, if you sum this up, you'll find out that that's that's what is meant to give you in the total, which is 87. Okay, so that's for this particular section, uploading. So after everything, teacher has to go down to click upload. So that's it. When if but there's a special case where an error may come in. For instance, I typed O instead of 0. Now let's see what this is going to do. This is going to give you an error, and it's going to tell you the row and the column. Now this says that you're supposed to enter a number, which is an integer, at roll of agricultural science kickoff test, which raised an error. So the role is agricultural science kickoff test, while the students um column is 26. So what teacher just has to do is just to go and trace agricultural science kickoff test, which is this at this point, and 26. So you can see tracing down 26 and tracing down agricultural sciences gives you this, and you change it maybe to 0. If the person got 0, then you upload it. Okay, so it's going to upload. Okay, that's actually for uploading of scores. So after uploading, if you want, you can download it, change it to download. It's just going to download. If you need a raw score, and you can open it with Excel, but I won't be opening it here. If you have WPS can open it. Okay, so that's for uploading of scores. So I'll be moving to the next section, which is very crucial: calculation of termly results. Okay, calculation of the results. One important aspect of ClaBiT software is the calculation of result, which is automated. So for you to calculate the result after uploading, what you just have to do is just select that particular term, third term, and also select the class SS3A, and click on calculate results. Sorry, and click on submit. So I've clicked on it. It will take few seconds. Then it has calculated SS3A in within 4 seconds. So all the number of all those students that are there, their result has been calculated and has already been pushed to the website. So the teacher doesn't have to do any other thing, including comments, and every other thing has been taken care of. Okay, so it's very fast. So that's for calculation of results. So let's go back to the uploading of results and see if it's true. So I'll click on this and also SS3A, and let's check those scores we just added now. So you could remember we added 0, and we added some scores for some persons here. So let's try this particular one for this person that got 5.3 5.3, because this was the score we updated. So 5.3 is 8. 5 plus 3, 8, plus 40 is 48, plus 6 is 54, plus 12 is 66. So you can see, so this particular result of this student has been calculated, and same thing is applicable to all. But if a teacher adds a result or a score which is more than the required score, because most schools their scores is the total score is usually 100. So what the ClaBiT software does is that it deletes those scores, instead of adding it there, because it's very wrong for a parent to see 120 out of 100. It doesn't mean, it shows that the school doesn't know what they are doing. So what ClaBiT software does is that it deletes those scores. So the work of a teacher after calculating the results, or after the calculation of result function is triggered, is to go back and check if the software deletes any result. So if the software deletes any student result, it means that the teacher made mistake there. So what the teacher has to do is to add the right score.